So, I mean, with that principle about capitalism dying and doing good taking over, if you had an opportunity, right, to spend 24 hours with anyone, and this person could be someone that you've met, never met, someone that died before you even were in existence, someone that you pretty much look up to, who would that person be and why?
Yeah. At this, it changes quite often, frequently. I go through a lot of who inspires me and who doesn't inspire me. At this point in my life today, it's a no-brainer that I'd have to go with Jesse Itzler. That man he is building something I've never seen before by marrying business, by marrying athletes, by creating the best community of humans you've ever seen. And he's the best keynote speaker. I've watched his same keynote probably in person 4 or 5 times, online a dozen times, and just the philosophies that guy lives by are how I want to live my life to a T.
Mhm.
So I got to say Jesse Itzler right now is the guy, and I've been fortunate enough to spend some time with him and chat with him and stuff. So to get 24 hours alone with him,
Yeah.
he would be able to take go big to give big and scale it, grow it, do some amazing things, but also give me the core values and principles of life that I want to do while I scale it and grow it.
Mm.